The ones in the middle here can be a little more marginal. So one of the things we can do is look at what people have done in the past. This becomes an important part of ours and other likely voter models. If you look on a public voter file and you see, for example, that people have voted in, let's say, the last two elections, 2018, 2020, and 90% of them then voted in the subsequent, say, midterm after that, you can give that person in the poll a weight, a likely voter weight of 0.9. That reflects their generalizable chance of showing up based on past behavior. But that might be different from someone who voted only in 50% of recent elections. They might get a likely voter weight of 0.5. So you need to take into account that, but also, of course, new voters and what they might do. All of that, I hope, gives you the idea that this is a difficult thing to do in polling. There's a little bit of art and a little bit of science. Anytime you encounter a model or you're building a model of an electorate or behavior, this is especially important politically because it's an era in which so few people cross party lines, right? You get more than 9 in 10 Republicans vote for Republicans, Democrats voting for Democrats. And so persuasion, while important, can often not be as important as turnout. Yes, the old cliche, it all comes down to turnout, but that's built into these polls. And so when you see things like last time in the midterms, when polling showed that if Democrats turned out more, they'd keep the House close, which in fact they did.